Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. So today we're going to do part 2 of quick and easy, last minute crochet gifts, whether it be for Christmas or something else. I did a part 1. I'm gonna link that below. People are asking me if I would do a part 2. Well, of course I will. Now, at the making of this video, it is 12/12 of 2023. Any of these you can make quickly and easily, just in time for the holiday season or whenever you like. All right, so let's go ahead and start. Oh, if you look below in the description box, you'll find a link to all these in order that I tell you. I have tutorials for all of them. All the tutorials are free. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. And I do have a tutorial for this hat as well. This is called my Quicksilver beanie. And that blanket back there, I will have a tutorial for that. Probably the day after I make this video. I don't know when you're going to watch this, but yeah, you'll be able to look for it. That blanket on my channel. It's called A Lavish Presentation. Now, if you don't see it, that means it's not on yet, but it will be on soon. All right, enough. Let's go ahead and start with the first one that you see there. Super cute, super quick, super easy. So these are some barrettes that I made for my daughter. But you know what else they work really good for? Lots of things, actually. So they're just little flowers, you know, and they got a button in the center. You know, you can see that there in the picture. But I put a barrette on the back for my daughter. So you can use them as barrettes. You can use them just to sew on your projects. You can put little clips on them and use them for like the end of your shoes. I always think that's cool. I like to deck my shoes out with stitch markers and whatnot. I don't know. I kind of do that kind of stuff. You could use it to decorate, like if you have a gift wrapped, already wrapped, you could put a little clippy on it, clippy thingamajig on it, clip it, you know, on your gift to decorate your gift. Whatever you want to do with them. Choice is yours. Imagination is key here with those. All right, next up. Oh, so that cute little coin purse. You will never believe what that's made with. That is made with Scrubby yarn, Scrubby Sparkle. It's my nemesis. It's a yarn that I do not like. But I thought, you know what? Scrubby yarn doesn't just have to be for scrubbies. So I took the Scrubby Sparkle and I made that cute little coin purse. Super easy. It's all single crochet. And what a wonderful gift. You know? I think it is. Quick and easy. You can put another gift inside, small gift, or you can use it as a little stocking stuffer. Yeah. Alright, up next. Pot holders. Pot holders. You can't get enough pot holders because they're quick and easy. These are bloomers, little old-fashioned bloomers. Like I said, the way they set though, they would be more useful as a hot pad, you know, to set your hot pads on. Now, if you want to use them for like a pot holder, I would definitely make 2 of them and put them together and line them with a piece of cotton. Definitely use cotton yarn. Again, you can use them for wash rags or whatever you want. But yeah, nice, quick, and easy little bloomers. All right, up next. Yeah, you can see what that is. All right, so that is a beverage mitt. So you put it, you know, you just put it on your hand, and it's actually the inside. It's made with I can't remember, acrylic or something, but the inside is actually made with cotton. So it's like double layer, like on the inside. When you put your hand in it, whatever cold beverage you're drinking, whether it be a pop or, you know, if you got beer drinkers or whatever, it keeps it, you can go outside, you know, and when it's cold and your hand stays warm. But if your drink starts to sweat or whatever, the cotton won't absorb that on the inside. But yeah, so that's a beverage mitt. I think it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy too. It's a great gender neutral gift as well. All right, up next. This is, again, it's pretty popular on my channel. It's just something that you need to use your imagination for. So that's a little teacup. And I think it's great to put like potpourri in. or little soaps or whatever. Now that's made with cotton. And you can also, I've seen people make them and show me on my Facebook page, they make them with thread, and they're like really tiny and super adorbs. But yeah, you can just, you know, put candy in it. I've seen that. I've seen people make these for weddings in white, and they put like flowers on them, and they would fill them full of like candy and stuff like that. So very, very useful. You know, I use mine for potpourri though. That's what mine is used for. All right, up next is a bag. Now this bag is like probably one of the simplest bags that you'll find on my channel. That's made with blanket yarn. You know, the 6-weight blanket yarn. And I think if I remember right, it's all half double crochet, I think. But anyways, it was super quick, super easy. You get that done on the fly. And then you got a nice, it's actually pretty good inside. You can see there on me. You got a nice bag for somebody to carry around. And it's, like I said, it's quick because it's made with that 6-weight. All right, up next. Yeah. Yes, that is made with Scrubby yarn. It's a little dish Scrubby made with Scrubby yarn. If you don't know, Scrubby is my least favorite yarn. But I did make this out of Scrubby yarn. That's Scrubby yarn. I'm just kidding. So that's just a little dish Scrubby. You can use it to wash your dishes. You can use it to clean counters, clean your bathroom. Whatever you want to do with it. You know, you don't have to use Scrubby yarn. If you don't use Scrubby, I would recommend some type of cotton. Or you can just use the pattern itself for the flower and use the flower as an applique for something. You know, creativity. Think about it. Whatever you can come up with that. Quick and easy, quick and easy. All right. Up next is a basket. Again, something very quick, something very easy, and something extremely, extremely useful. This is about a medium-sized basket, I would say. As you can see, I got some yarn and stuff in it. Now, it is made with a 6-weight, so it should stand well on its own. The spring fling basket, is that what I called it? I think that's what I called it. Anyways, yes, very useful. You know, baskets come in handy for everything. All right, up next. It's another dish towel for your stove or whatever you want to hang it on. All right, so this is one that has a large button on it, and the flap is actually crocheted as well. The whole piece is crocheted, and then it has a large button there that you can button it onto your stove. You know, you can see it from the picture. You can use it for, it's useful to dry dishes with and whatnot, or you can just leave it on your stove and like just dry your hands when you wash them. Whatevs. I know it's quick and easy though. It makes a good gift. All right, up next. It's another basket. Now this is a larger basket, and it's an extremely easy basket. Again, made with a 6-weight. It is a different stitch than the last one. So this is a larger basket. Very easy. If I remember right, that's just single crochet done in the back loop. Working in around and around and around you go, making a basket. And like I said, these are very useful. I even have a smaller basket on my channel. An extra small, a small, medium, a large. And I even have one bigger than that. But anyways, we're talking about quick and easy. That's something that you can work up quick, easy, because it's made with a 6-weight. It should, you know, make it stand on its own and whatnot. That's a good gift. All right, up next. Who wouldn't love a throw pillow? I like throw pillows. I do. I have many on my channel. I think this one was always my favorite. You don't have to use that yarn, of course. But it is made with bobble stitches. Not a lot of people like bobbles. I love bobbles. But it is a quick and easy gift. Very useful too. A lot of people like throw pillows. And if you don't like that one, I do have many more on my channel that you can check out as well. Okay, up next. All right. This is, these are face scrubbies, but they're made to look like sugar cookies. And I gave them as a gift one year to somebody. I don't remember. That's why they got a bow on them. So you can make like a stack of them, you know, like 4 of them or whatever. If I remember right, I think they're probably about that big. I can't. And it's got the bottom part, and then the top is supposed to be like an ice sugar cookie. Sugar cookie scrubbies. Pair it with some sugar scrub. That don't people People still use that sugar scrub stuff that you use. I don't know. Maybe that was when I was younger. I don't remember. But anyways, good gift, you know. I think they're pretty adorable. But if you don't want to use them as face scrubbies, you can use them, you know, as anything. Wash dishes, coasters, stuff like that. But again, if you use them as face scrubbies, you know, you can throw them in a wash and use them over and over again. Environmental friendly. Alright, up next. Ooh, look at that beautiful little doily. Well, that doily actually, I believe, is made with a 4-weight yarn. So it came out a little bit bigger. I do to give the dimensions. But I did see a lot of people make them in thread. I can't use thread anymore. I used to be able to back in the day. But I seen a lot of people make them with thread, and they were super cute as well. You know, I don't know what size they were, but this one, I'll give you this size, but you can use any weight of yarn that you want. And who doesn't love a butterfly? Use that, put it on your end table, set a lamp on it. Adorable, adorable. Cute little easy quick gift. Alright, up next. Pair of mittens. Gender neutral. These are super easy. You don't have to put that. I don't even know what's on that. Some type of button. I'm not sure why I did that. But yeah, you can leave that off. Now, the reason why these are so easy is because if you look closely, there is no defining line between the cuff and the mitten. It just is all the same stitch all the way up. So, it just kind of all looks as one, as you can see from the picture. Works great for, you know, like I said, gender neutral. Everybody. It works for a gift for anybody that wants to keep their hands warm. You know what I mean? Alright, last up. Again, this is very useful, very quick and easy. The Market Bag. A lot of people like to, you know, they want to be environmental friendly nowadays. So this is there's a Market Bag that you can take to Walmart or wherever you get your groceries and whatnot. It's got a nice plastic canvas bottom, so you don't have to worry about anything busting out. Of course, you don't have to put that in it, but because it probably won't bust out anyways. It is made with cotton yarn, and the straps are actually just ripped up pieces of fabric. I think it was an old sheet or an old pillowcase. So it's all like recycled, you know, it's like just like, I think it was an old sheet or an old pillowcase or something that I ripped up, and then I tied knots onto the bag to use as handles. So it's really strong. And yeah, and you can just go to the market and take it with you every time that you go. So again, there's 15 more quick and easy gifts when you're in a hurry, but you want to give a gift. Any of these will do. Now, if you have not seen part 1, I'll put a link to that below in the description box, as well as a link to all these that I just showed. Remember, you look at these and you think about the things that you could do with them and the people that would like them, the loved ones that, you know, that would like them. I think they're all pretty dang cool. Obviously, I guess, I crocheted them. So, I mean, I made tutorials on them and whatnot, designed them and whatnot. So, yeah, of course, I would use any of them. I like them, and I hope that you did too. So that's it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? And that like button. And leave me a comment below. And look for part 1 if you haven't seen that yet, okay? Everybody needs something quick and easy now and again. Bye, guys.